What is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and this video today is going to be showing you how to get the best Amazon promo codes for 2023. Now basically promo codes for Amazon are quite hard to find, especially ones that are worth using. So I spent probably 3 days looking for promo codes for Amazon, and I managed to find some really good ones that you're definitely gonna want to use, guys. And they're actually pretty easy to get. It takes a few minutes, so I've decided to make this tutorial and help you go ahead and get your free Amazon promo codes. So let me get into the tutorial, guys. So you need to grab your phone. I'm using an iPhone here, and you just need to open up the internet, and you can use your computer as well, but it's easier on your mobile. And you need to go to this website, so make sure you follow exactly as I'm typing this. So you got to go to www.speedycoupons.com. so SPEEDY coupons.com. Make sure you type it www. to go to the website, and this is the page you need to find, Speedy Coupons. And basically this is a coupon website, pretty self-explanatory really. They provide you with coupons and also things like gift card codes and game codes. So you need to just basically scroll down and look for the Amazon gift cards and coupons page. Alternatively, you can go to search here and just type in here Amazon, and it should just pop up like so. So tap to open that page. As you can see, the coupons are limited, but there is a bunch of them. And this page basically will provide you with the codes that I mentioned. So you can get a $100 Amazon promo code, and it says dollars, but when you actually redeem these codes, it will just transfer to your local currency. It sort of just it picks up on the balance and just uses the exchange rate. So you can see there's a $100 promo code, there's a 50% off technology promo code, there's a $150 gift card code, and there's also a 12 months Amazon Prime membership code. So you just have to basically choose which one you want. Some of them can work out better than others. For example, if you're going to be spending quite a bit of money on technology, this 50% off code will be pretty beneficial. So in this case, I'm just going to choose the $100 promo code, and you can see it's been super popular, this one. So tap show coupon, and this just sort of verifies what coupon. So this is a $100 Amazon promo code, and you can see it's given us sort of part of the code, like the start characters, but it's starred out the remaining part of it. So we need to just unlock this guy. So tap unlock code. This takes a few seconds whilst it gets to 100%. Okay, and you're going to come across this screen here. This is completely normal. This just protects the codes, ensures they don't get stolen by robots. So we just need to basically follow these instructions and complete 2 of the tasks below. And you can see there's a list of sort of free tasks here, ranging from playing games. So for example, Family Island, download then complete level 8, or for example this top one, fill in your personal details and confirm, and it's like a free survey. So basically, guys, long story short, you just have to complete 2 of these tasks, and they differ depending on your country. So I'm going to click on this top one and just run through the questions. Pretty easy, and see I have to input my email. So let me go ahead and open up a second one as well. Register, choose your boxes and start your free trial. So let me click on that one. This is just like a free trial, which I don't mind doing. Pretty easy. Answer the questions, get rid of the cookies. Next step. Okay, so you can see I just need to input my email and just create a free account on here. So let me go ahead and finish both of these, and I'll pause the video and come back. Okay guys, so I just finished both of those tasks on this page, making sure I fully completed them. I also just banged my knee on the table, which seriously hurt, so I'm currently nursing that. Anyway, once you've completed 2 of these tasks and made sure you fully completed them, like I say, you can choose any 2 of them, just make sure you complete them. And once you've done that, you're going to go to tabs, and you now see this tab has popped up here. Go back to it, and it's released my promo code for Amazon. So this is a simple promo code that I can enter in at the checkout and or in the basket and redeem it, and it's just going to remove $100 off my basket. The only stipulation is you need to make sure you add over $100 worth of product and apply this code, otherwise it's not going to work. Now these codes are one-time use. One of you can grab this code, so quickly grab that, but it's going to be used pretty quick guys, so it's probably going to be invalid by the time most of you try that. So you need to basically go to speedycoupons.com and get your free Amazon promo codes. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you found it useful, hit the like button. If you need any help obtaining your promo codes, comment below. I can help you out, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.